I'm right here.
Yeah, you are there.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. Join my lobby. I created a lobby for 3 people.
Here.
Get in. There's 4 episodes.
What?
Start episode 1. We're doing episode 1.
Alright.
Let's go. Let's not scream at the top of our lungs so quick. I agree with me on this. This game is really great. Let's start. So, we're playing a game where the person who got the top wins the game and has to be like, I don't care about horror. I haven't done it in a while, so that's why I'm doing horror.
And also, we never really played this board game.
Yeah. I've never really played
Oh, wow.
I was just like, oh look, they have the no, barely. Oh, you have a sprint bar. Who is this?
Oh.
Where's your phone? Wait, where's your phone? Bro, where's your phone?
For me, it's normally like somewhere in my bed, covered by clothes. Normally.
David, why'd you call me and say help?
First off, why are we so small?
Oh my god, what the fudge was that sound?
I think that was not David. I'm pretty sure that was a demon.
Like, I'm pretty sure that's not David.
Definitely
David, I think
demon.
it's a demon.
I'm just gonna like. Can I crouch? Nope. Am I really this short?
Yes.
Taller than me?
We're
Taller than me? What?
Imagine this is you in real life. We're like babies right now.
There's this button, dude.
Yeah, it looks like we're babies.
Button.
What did I just grab?
Yeah.
I grabbed a knife. Wait, what? Wait, hold on.
Pizza. Pizza.
I swear I just saw these.
Pizza.
Oh my gosh, it's time 0, 0, 0, 0.
Nice.
That's the activity.
I don't think it's in the kitchen.
Found it.
That's not a torch! That's a flashlight!
That was fudging terrifying.
Didn't like that.
Oh, we can open this.
Me neither.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna have to die!
What?
Alright.
Ah!
Kind of funny because now we all have to go to school and none of us go to
So
school.
much in this.
It's almost like guaranteed we're gonna get chased with the sprint block. Oh.
I want to go home. Let me go back.
That gave me a slight heart attack.
My
I
heart
like
skipped a beat again. So,
That's what happened to me.
at one point you're just gonna hear me too much. I just can't at one point with my heart.
Also, no one sprint. If you sprint, then we might need our like sprint block or something else. We might get chased.
I
Also,
literally just went boom. Like right as I saw it, it's like and I'm like.
new challenge, try not to yell.
Yay!
I did that
Try not to
perfectly.
swear.
Actually, wait. How do we have like try not to say anything? And no laughing. Like try not to make any noise. Things that you can't control, like sneezing and coughing and stuff is allowed.
No.
We can still talk. My dad's behind me and I can see him. As if, like, I don't want him to scare me right now, but
Imagine if you got the
What
demon.
did you say?
Oh,
Who in the world has to walk a
oh, I
little
see
path?
somebody.
get
Oh,
this
there's something
through?
in the doorway. There's something in the doorway.
Let's rush over.
Let's go!
Yay!
Yay! There's
I'm
a
gonna come
demon in the
through.
doorway.
Let's go
I
say
can't
hi to this
see.
girl.
Let's go!
Hey,
Wait,
where's
where's
my
the
That's
sprint
nice.
bar?
Whoever
We don't
speaks
have a sprint bar
Spanish
anymore.
or whatever language that is.
Oh,
Wait, it's another one.
Hey!
How did we know David was at the school? No,
That's
bloody
what I should
picture.
call police.
oh hell,
Yeah,
where's
call the
this
police.
stuff?
Wait, did this person make the other horror game we just played? That looks very, like, very
We have blood
familiar.
everywhere in the
There's
school.
blood everywhere.
Hell's up.
Okay, what time? What time?
I didn't hear any.
Is it the 911?
I'm scared.
David,
I'm gonna fall out of my seat.
David. David, where are you, David?
I'm walkers. No, we cannot. Bro, that's so
Sorry, you
useless.
open the door.
Yeah, I'll do it, I guess.
Oh,
Need a key.
oh thank God. Oh thank God, we need a key.
You're just like,
This
God,
will
we
have
need
more
to-
doors. Okay, who wants to go this way?
Alright.
Don't use the sprint bar.
I opened it.
Oh my god,
Oh,
I'm doing this.
oh, blood!
Oh
I'm the one who just saw a child
Oh,
right
what was in here? A head?
No, I didn't see anything.
Right. What the?
Parkour,
Oh,
parkour,
I was
parkour.
flying.
Michael, parkour.
Parkour.
Oh, vent.
Oh, wait, I can't. Alright, there we go.
I have a feeling we're about to get chased. Like there's gonna be something at the end of this.
You go first.
Oh
Why-
great, it's a maze.
Goddamn small. Why are we so goddamn small? We can fit into a vent like this.
What's the very large?
Don't know.
Like this.
I'm just running next to the car, just like here.
Why is this place really long? Like the people in the back could be like watching a video.
Yeah, and you
Why
wouldn't
is it
know.
so long? We're like kids.
Yeah, we
Someone
are.
should be sitting in that chair over there. I can almost guarantee it. And it's turned around. Yep, definitely.
Wait for me.
Yep, there's something in that chair. Why is there a hand?
It's oh.
Oh, this is the key to that door.
Hey, let me get the key.
I feel like someone's about to appear at the back of the hole. Wait for me. We're like in a formation.
Oh my god!
Oh, floor's out.
I just
Floor,
got a jump
here's
scare.
floor head.
I'm not okay. I just got a jump
I also
scare.
got a scare as
Oh,
well.
good. Flora, use the skull head.
My heart
Where's
skipped
the
a beat.
skull head?
My heart
Where's the screams with the skull head?
Parkour. Parkour. Parkour.
I'm gonna be first.
Parkour. Parkour. Oh. Imagine if something big is chasing us through the vent.
Yeah, like I don't like this.
Just go.
I've been chased to the vent in Beauty Chapter 3, so like, no, please.
Parkour.
Were these bloodstains there when we first came in?
Parkour.
I think there's no bloodstains. No, but you do get chased through a vent, I think.
Alright, Minnie, you have the key. Minnie, you have the key. So, yes.
What was that? I just heard glass break.
I suddenly don't want to go in
The
there.
lights are breaking.
Minnie!
It won't open.
Wrong door then. Let's go to the other door. I'm scared.
I'm not going there.
I am not ready. I'm not ready for a jump scare. I just recovered from one.
I can see you.
Well, no, you
Nope.
can't!
No, you can't. Like, I'm invisible.
Get in a pile! Get in a pile. Put all in like a pile. Oh my god, I see a freaking
Hi.
person.
Hi. Hi there.
My person has
Hi.
jump scared me many times.
Where'd the blood all go?
Yeah, it's kind of like been turned up.
I'm not going over to you. This time he's gonna have to. Do I have to do it?
Yeah. You gotta conquer your fear.
Okay.
I think I found the door.
I don't want him to just like, shot. He's fine.
I think David.
Oh, door's open. Door's open over there. That was not open earlier. Oh, no, it was.
That door then. Let's go back to this.
David's probably dead. So I
Yeah,
think
David's
we
just
should
like-
out of here. That'd be the smart thing to do.
I'm opening it.
More blood.
Delicious.
Also happens that the
Wait,
room
wait.
is
Let me
just
sniff this blood. Let me sniff this blood.
Okay.
Step in it.
Okay, what the heck is going on?
Smells
Did
like
she
David.
Oh,
I have a feeling wait, did she like hold him in one arm, then smack him to the other side of the room, they come up again, keep doing that?
Yeah, I don't know.
Like,
I
what?
don't know. It could be just other people's blood too. It can't just be David. Look, button.
Ooh. Do we have to play like 1v1 basketball?
1v1 with the demon.
oh.
I was right!
I guess I win the challenge of no screaming.
Yep. Wonderful.
I didn't scream
Actually,
though.
it's kind of funny how I'm
I
just
didn't
really
scream,
calm.
though.
You did,
What?
remember?
Yeah, I did.
Let you off.
Blood.
Because I had a random jump scare on my screen.
We all did.
Is it David? More blood.
Yeah, that's David's.
More blood.
He's the only one who gets smacked like that.
Wait, this looks like a bit of like Minecraft Ghost. You can't see
Yeah.
this. Minecraft.
It kind of does.
I think it's
Okay, now
mine.
she's like going side to side. Oh, demon.
Bro, who's making the satanic ritual?
Hi, demon. Oh, hi.
David, are you doing satanic rituals? David?
Who's doing
I
it?
think David. David is person. We're gonna have to get.
Look at his face. Look at his disgusting face.
You can kick him?
Greetings. And the same day I died by a murder and decided to revenge.
Oh, David. David's the son of murder.
I guess David was an asshole.
What?
feel
Sorry.
like
Let me do it softer. I guess David was a bad person.
Down.
Can you calm down?
Hey. Hey, how's it going?
Ma'am,
Let me get you.
calm down.
Let me get
What's
you.
wrong with your legs?
I don't know.
Like, what's with their ankles?
Why are your
Oh,
why
look at the
are
red in the
your legs
distance.
so long and we're so short?
She's probably the same
Yeah.
height when she stops levitating. Am I the only one who's seeing the red at the end of the hallway?
You think that just because his father was a murderer? What?
I feel like David is the son of the murderer. That's why
Oh.
he's missing.
Find the exit. God damn, 6 notes!
It's just
Found
like
one.
Slenderman.
Here. Here.
Ah!
Before I can open the door.
Good. Open the door.
Oh god.
Bloody.
Who cares? Nope, not me. Oh. I'm out of sprint, people. This one too.
What the fuck?
Nope, hands.
What you good? Hey, what you good? You good? You good?
Oh, that's the satanic ritual!
Guys, we gotta find an exit. Come on, quick. Look in the lockers. Oh, here.
You find another note? Found another note? Another note?
Oh,
Damn you! Damn you! Damn you,
guys,
boy!
where did you guys go?
We got three minutes.
Guys, wait! I was looking in the other places for notes. Where?
We already got it.
Okay.
The exit. Oh, yeah,
We
Guys, we
need
gotta
to
go back.
that's
I don't have enough notes.
We need to go back for more notes. I hate myself.
We've already been in here.
Ouija board. Okay.
I've already checked all the lockers. Did we go in here?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did.
Wait a minute. I'm trying to find to see if there's another note in here.
Door.
Doors.
There's another door? Is there another door?
People, let me open it. Stop walking in front of me, Flora. I can't open it.
Everybody
People are
stop
walking
walking in
in
front of me.
Oh,
open everything.
every single one.
There has to be one in here.
You can climb it, by the way.
Oh! My
Is that
God!
David, is that you?
I'm gonna shut that.
David?
Even is that you?
What did she do to you, David? Oh, no!
No,
I was about
I
to
need
get
to
it!
come. I need to come. Okay, go.
Every other cabinet.
Nope, David's in there.
David, did you draw the big smiley face? No? There we go. We got another note.
We need one more.
What is the last one?
Maybe it's in the elevator.
No.
That's service.
Maybe it's in that. Maybe it's still in here.
There's another one in here.
Nope.
We can't find the last note. It's gotta be in this room.
But it is.
Yeah, I know. But it's gotta be in this room. Because there's nothing else to do. So it's gotta be in somewhere. Somewhere in this room. Where the hell are you, Note?
Ouija
Where are
board?
you?
Tell me where it is.
Where's the goddamn note?
Nothing.
It's a glitch.
Hold up. I don't think that door is barricaded like this before.
Hold on. I saw a button inside. Wait, I saw something inside. It's in there.
I don't see it. Maybe I could try and glitch in there.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
We had it for a second. Minnie, can you move?
I saw something. Wait, can we get out?
Can you
Minnie, can we get out?
Minnie, I had
I'm almost in.
Vinny!
My head is going through the door, for God's sake.
Vinny, I'm trying. I saw something to
I
open
got
it.
it! I got it open!
In.
I can't go in. I can't. God damn it, go in.
Nope, I'm
This is
stuck
why
there.
I always have shift lock. Oh my. God damn.
It's blocked off. You can't get in yet.
Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
No, you're not.
There you go.
Get rid of this bed.
Found it.
What?
Huh?
Found the last note.
Where is it?
It's right here.
Alright, ready? He's ready to head out.
How do
It
you
was
get
behind the
that?
trash can.
Cool. We got through all that trouble and done that. Open up.
Oh, let's go!
That's a very white thing.
Go, go, go.
Go. Where's my sprint bar?
How do we not use up the sprint bar?
Because we might get chased.
Yeah.
You see something in the distance, I think?
I just not use sprint bar. Don't use sprint bar.
I have like really good music in the background, just me vibing.
I can hear something crawling. Oh,
Jesus!
David! David!
David!
Okay, I'm leaving you for dead with that hairstyle.
Bro,
David!
yeah.
David!
Wait for me at least.
No.
Nah.
Nah, we don't need to. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's wait for Minnie. Hello, Minnie.
There's something about to pop up again.
Oh, what the? Oh, God. Ah.
My flashlight even on? It's been off this whole time, are you kidding me?
Aha! Wait, I see a button.
It's been turned on.
Button.
I see something in the
Button! I can press it.
Get it.
Sorry.
This is a sponge. Did they just like wet a sponge, stick it to something?
Like wet
What?
fun. Boom.
Oh, the 3 butterflies so I can do it.
Why?
Why are we gonna do a satanic ritual?
Ooh, water. Oh, did I just do a little circle?
Found a butterfly.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Look at that.
Hey guys, I found a butterfly.
What is that? Oh, butterfly. My butterfly. My butterfly. It is mine. Mariposa. Oh, nice. Alright.
I'm
Where?
going to help.
Where?
Help, I'm in the water. I'm at.
Are you drowning? Were you drowning in the water?
Yeah, I was like stuck in the water.
Oh, you were drowning in the water. I'm all out of sprint, so if someone chases me, I'm dead. Did you find the butterfly yet?
I found
I
a
have.
butterfly.
I have found the butterfly.
I found the second one. Mine's yellow.
Mine is red and pink. I have two.
I don't have one.
Didn't it say to have three? I think it said to have.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a 3.
Alright, time to do the satanic ritual!
Hey!
Have we found all of them?
Let me.
No, I don't think so.
No, we got three. We got three.
Okay, can you wait for me? I'm all out of sprint. Also, guys, everyone get to full sprint because we might need a. We don't know what we're summoning here.
Alright, and I can't put it on the thing.
I'm just
Somehow.
gonna find the statue that it goes on. Oh great, I'm drowning again. So.
You're so great.
Yep, find that.
Wait, I know that sound. That's the Zoom sound right there.
Alright,
No, that's this one. That's this one. I've already tried for this one already.
hey, no.
Nope.
Not
I
that
guess
one.
the other one. You guys hear? That's a literal meme sound. Wait, make sure everyone's at full sprint. I just need to wait for my sprint to back up. I'm not. Okay, I'm at full sprint.
Hiding in the water.
Meme sound.
Alright. Demon, come
Demon,
forth!
come to us. We're doing it now.
Come forth!
Minnie, we're
and
doing the
open
ritual
the
again.
door.
Remember the ritual that we did?
Oh yeah, I remember that. Hilarious.
This is me! This is me! This is me! This is me! I'm standing on the red dot.
Hold on, I need to stand here.
Ritual!
Ritual!
Ritual.
Go, let's go.
We
let's
got
go.
yellow.
I see her, I see her, I see her, I see her, I see her.
Maybe I should have been on the pink one.
I'm saying it now. You can keep our friend. Like you kind of got a good style.
Ah.
Okay. The demons. Guys, turn around.
Yes?
Wait, like, okay, let's go this way, then come back. I don't like being in sewer water.
So we have summoned a demon. What if we're the angels?
Oh!
Nice!
None.
We're
You are
the angels in it. Parkour! Parkour! Let me die. Parkour!
Fuck off!
David's down there!
David! David, parkour!
Body's body.
David! Come back, David! Come here! Come on, David!
After one, we did
Oh
it.
no!
Actually, David, you can die for that.
Yeah! Yeah, I agree.
Ah, am I falling? David was not well. He got to the hospital. He died.
He literally had his eyes
wrong.
up.
I felt was wrong, and I did something wrong. When I went to activate the statues, I don't think we weakened the demon that kidnapped David. I think we provoked another one, and now it's a demon. I think this is not the end of the story or how it could end as a fairy tale.
Alright.
Jump scare.
I'm about to be jump scared.
Yeah. I think he's after me now.
Who?
Who?
David?
Who is David?
David's the evil one?
It's David. Was it David?
David?
David.
Literally just bent forward and literally
David?
my computer on my lap. I just